Okay, so you are lounging around on a Sunday afternoon, shed out outside, and your wife comes into the room. You guys know, if she says, "What are you doing at the moment?" you know there's work coming. So we've been having a massive problem with ants over the last few weeks. Small little brown and black ants. They keep on coming into the house everywhere. You can't put anything down. They are storming the pets' food and water bowls. It's just a mess. So the old people said, when that happens, there's rain coming. But the week forecast says there's no rain, just more heat. Anyway, so what do you do, guys? Well, you grab your favorite hat, you grab a cold one, and you go to your shop and build her something. Especially if she tells you, you bought all this expensive woodworking equipment and you're just lying around on a Sunday afternoon. Get to work, buddy. But then you realize, my workshop is not in the full sun. So you leave your hat, kick off your flip-flops, but keep the beer. Morning, everybody. So it's now morning. I wanted to tell you we had a massive thunderstorm last night. I don't know what you call a voltbreak in English. I think probably a cloud burst or something. So yeah, the old timers were correct with ants. When they are coming into your house like crazy, there's big water coming. So I just wanted to quickly show you. The reason why I did it like this is basically just to get the food bowls a little bit off the ground. So, and the other reason is I was using inserts. You can switch between different lengths of bolts to either raise it further from the floor or not. And then what my wife did last night, she just dipped the ends of the hex bolts in Vaseline. Quite nice blobs of Vaseline, so the ants won't go over that Vaseline and climb on the small little feet of the bolt to get to the foot. So we'll see if it works. Yeah.